Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit subscribe on the way out and check out our other amazing pizza tutorials. Today, we're gonna be making this super simple, super awesome pizza sauce out of 5 basic ingredients that you can get just about anywhere. For equipment, we're gonna need a plastic container that we can seal, a spoon, a slotted one will help, and our hands. Let's get going. For seasonings, we're gonna use sugar, salt, and Italian seasoning. If you're more of a single herb varietal kind of guy, just use oregano. For tomatoes, we're gonna be using the San Marzano by Cento Italian whole Roma tomatoes and a high quality Italian extra virgin olive oil. We're gonna start off by cracking open our can of tomatoes and pull out the first one. You're gonna see that they're packed in like a tomato juice, watery type substance. Just squeeze out as much of the water as you can before you put the tomato into your container. Now with your hand, just crush the tomato to get all that juice out, and then just work it on the side of the container and the bottom of the container to get it as small as you can. Now just continue this process with the rest of the tomatoes. You're gonna see that you're gonna have kind of a watery portion and some large chunks, but in the fridge, those large chunks will break down and thicken up the watery portion. Now that we got all of our tomatoes crushed up, we're gonna do the seasonings. Now, there really is no measurement with this because it is to taste. We just go by pinches. So we'll put a couple little pinches of the sugar. This is an organic cane Florida sugar, but you can use whatever sweetener you like. Next with the salt. And now that I got some salt coating my fingers, I'm gonna use that salt and I'm gonna grind the Italian seasoning. This is gonna release a lot of the essence of that herb and make it very, very floral in there. One more little pinch of sugar, and that's it. We don't want to overdo it. The tomatoes are the star of this sauce. Now that we have our sauce seasoned, we'll go ahead and give it a little stir to combine, and then we'll taste it to see if it's where we want it. Once we have our seasonings where we want them, we'll go ahead and give a little skeet of extra virgin olive oil and give it a nice swirl. Stir it up really good to get that oil emulsified in with the tomato sauce. Put a cover on it and get it in the fridge. I recommend refrigerating it for a minimum of an hour before you make your pizza, but ideally 24. But don't keep it in your fridge for longer than 48 hours. There you go. That's Raddad Cooks stupid simple pizza sauce. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe and found it easy to follow along with. Be sure to check out all of our other pizza tutorials that are part of this series. Thank you very much, and as always, please like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.
Like, comment, subscribe.